Graduation ceremonies represent a unique moment in our existence. Proud of our achievements, all looking very nice and smart tonight, we know that something extraordinary is happening in front of our eyes. Not only are we proud of our achievements, indeed we overcame assignments, exams, deadline, research, deadlines again. Nights without sleep, parties, nights without sleep again. Yes, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. I remember my first day when I sat in class in GeoSU in London campus. Wearing my uniform, my name badge, having my hair tied, I was ready to start. Then I took a look around and realized, oh God, it's been such a long time since I was sitting in school. And looking around me, all my classmates looked like they were at least 20, 25 years, maybe younger than me. Oof, then I breathed deeply, paused, looked again, listened to my very enthusiastic teacher who will become, a year later, one of the best teachers I've ever met. But I will come back to it later. And suddenly realize, I think this is a time for a change in my life. This is when and where I belong. Can you ever imagine saying this to yourself? Yes, I'm sure you can, since you've actually done the exact same call as me. When one of your teachers tells you that her goal is simply to help her students flourish, develop, grow, and she's actually here every day, and the week after she's sitting with you, reviewing your work and making sure that you are on the good path to succeed, then you know that you are in the good hands. And here I'm talking about Miss M. Also, the week after, when one of your other teacher comes to you, listen to your career, takes the time to understand where you come from, your hesitation, your questions, and make you view the hospitality sector with a broader view, and shares with you his vast expertise and knowledge, then you know even more than you are in the good place. And right now I'm talking about Mr. Jones. Education is a rare gift. According to UNESCO, only a tiny percentage of the population is having the chance to receive proper education. So we have to make the most out of it. This is our duty. We should not spoil the chance by just sitting quietly and thinking that we are no better than anyone. We should speak out, be proud, and most importantly, never give up. Our path will be difficult, long, sometimes demotivating, but as long as we have the passion, the real passion within ourselves, then we will succeed. So my last word for you tonight is the following. This day is glorious for all of us. The diploma is now in our pocket. We are ready to shake the world and live every moment of it. This graduation ceremony tonight is the outcome of a quest for a better self, the quintessence of our all past pains and tireless efforts. But most importantly, this is representing the promise for a brighter future and exciting new perspectives. With this degree, let's be proud of our accomplishments here, not only for diploma, for the person also we became. And then let's change the world for the better. As Nelson Mandela said, there is no passion to be found playing small, in settling for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living. So if my speech tonight is inspiring only one person, then I will have succeeded. This MBA journey at Glion gave me a purpose, a life-changing moment, and a promise for a greater future. And for all this, sincerely, thank you.